welcome back. Today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the Koda motion activated floodlight. It has 4200 looms, detects movement up to 69.8 feet away. It has a built-in night light. And this one also comes with the hot wire cable. So I got this out of Costco when it's on sale for $19.99. Original price on this was $27.99, so get $8 off. Right here's the UPC code right here. So yeah, this one is pretty cool. It has 3 big LED that you could move around. Independent light head movement. And this one is weather resistance. So yeah, this time they got smart. They tape it on the bottom now. So because sometimes people open on the bottom and return the package. Because this one they tape it on the side. So if you return it, Costco would know if you return or not. Got 2 tapes on the top. Nothing over here. Wow, it's pretty big. And right here is the instruction. So yeah, this one probably the biggest motion sensor that I ever purchased. So right here is the night light. It's gonna be always on. And right here is the motion sensor. It seems like you could tilt it downward. And right here is the adjustment lux sensor, and then timer. It's 1 minute, 3 minutes, 7 minutes. So this one is the brightness adjustment, low or high. This one is the night light setting. So 0 is to turn off the night light completely. 1 is to activate dusk to dawn. 2 is to synchronize the night light with the main light, so they operate together simultaneously. Okay. So this one is the sensor range detection. Okay. Got the low, middle, or high. And right here is the lux. So the lux, if you switch this on, it will turn on during the daytime as well. And right here is the low light condition. And then right here, the light will only turn on when it detects darkness. You see this, you got 3 big lights. And this is allow you to, rotate. And then you stop right here. So yeah, depend where you're gonna put this, up high, and then you can spread this open. Pretty cool. You can tilt it down, up. Oh, so you can also turn. That is pretty neat. Yeah, this is pretty awesome. So you have high, neutral, and then ground, okay? So yeah, we need to mount this plate onto the wall first. And here are all the screw and hardware and wire caps. Yeah, this is made out of plastic. Hopefully it's not gonna break. I have the solar light, and they have that cheap plastic, and it broke, so anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And if you want to watch the installation video, that'll be the next one. Okay? Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always. Peace.